Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below, and also share, because I'm trying to reach that 50,000, and the more of you who share, it'll get out to more people, and I really would appreciate that, because it would really help my channel, and I really want to hit that 50,000 by the end of the year, or at least by January 1st. So that would so help me so much, and thank you for all who are already sharing. All right, so today's quick and easy day, and I am sharing this cute little treat holder. These are so easy and so quick. They'd be so good for like classrooms or for nursing homes, for senior centers, even for your co-workers, friends, family. Everybody would really like them because it's full of candy. We do not at Stampin' Up! Carry these anymore. These are the Stampin' Up! Brand, and I just still had some left. But I'm going to link in the description where you can get these bags. And I'll have the link right in there. You can just click on it and buy them. And they're pretty much the same as these are. All right, so let's get started with this. What we're going to do first is we are going to stamp and color the hat and the feet. If you have a scan and cut, you do have to fussy cut the feet. If you have a scan and cut, you can use your scan and cut. That's what I did for the little feet, or you can fussy cut them. They're not much to fussy cut, actually. So it would be an easier one to fussy cut, but when you have the Brother Scan and Cut, you're going to use that. I do plan on still doing a tutorial for y'all. I am not a pro at using the Brother Scan and Cut. There's a lot of people out there. I actually learned a lot on just looking up Brother Scan and Cut, and there's a lot of girls who do tutorials, and they take you step by step. All right, so let's get on with the project. Let's first stamp. So I am using my Stamparatus because you know when I use black that I want to have it really dark. So I'm just going to put that under there. That is the Bewitching stamp set. This is the one we're using for this, by the way. So we're going to stamp this, and I'm going to stamp it a couple times because I like the black on it to be super dark. So we're going to do these both. And I'm going to use my little, I love this little, this is also in the description below, this tool. And see how light it comes out, and sometimes it misses a couple spots. But you can do it as many times as you want. You can stamp it as many times as you want. I think I just didn't press down on that. It has never left a little spot like, yeah, has never left a little spot on there. So I probably just didn't press down on it enough. I'm going to actually do this bottom part a little bit more, and her boots. After you do it a few times, just watch your fingers, because the ink, there's a lot of ink on there. Yeah, that's good. There's a lot of ink on there, and it may smear. Now, if you are familiar with the scan and cut, I just want to point out something to you, because I've had a few questions of people on the last one I did, the little witch. I've had a couple of people ask about that. And sometimes when you're using the scan and cut, you have to trick the scan and cut into not cutting like certain areas. So on these, what I did was I just drew a line. You have to use a number 2 pencil, and you have to just connect the line here, and I connect these boots right there. So it will cut all the way up into here, but it won't cut them apart, because if there's a space, it's going to cut it right apart. So for those of you who have one and you want to cut these out, that's how I did it. All right, we are going to go ahead and color these. And actually, I'm going to color the ones I already cut with my scan and cut, because I cut out quite a few of these. I stamped a bunch and cut them because I'm going to make a bunch of these, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'll probably like do them at a senior center or something like that. That's what I really like to do. All right, so we are using for this the light and dark Orchid Oasis, and then we're using Mango Melody light and dark, Pumpkin Pie light and dark, and then I'm just going to use, I don't even think I used the gray on this one, so we're not going to do that. We're just using those three colors right there. And then I'm going to do her little boots right here. All right, let's start with the hat. So I'm just going to color the circles in the hat, and I'm just randomly coloring them. And then we're going to and I'm using the dark all on this part. I think I'm going to use the light though on this Orchid Oasis because I thought it came out a little bit dark last time. Yeah, I like it better with the lighter. And then we're going to do the Mango Melody. You can color this however you like. This is my favorite hat in the whole bunch. But I do like the one with the spider web as well, but this one's my favorite. So this is the light. I'm just going to color the bands, all three different colors, but I am going to shade these a tiny bit. And then we're going to do the light Orchid Oasis. And then we'll just shade that a little bit. And then we're going to also do the light Pumpkin Pie. And we're just going to shade that one a little bit too. And that's how I'm going to color it, just like that. And that is going to be it. All right, so now for these, I am going to color these Pumpkin Pie. I'm using the dark on this. Just their little stripes there, and then I'm using the dark Mango Melody for the buckles on here. So you're only using the three different colors. I think I was going to use the gray on the buckles, but I decided to make it more fun and colorful. All right, so now we need to use the hat punch. This, I think it's the, I can't remember what it is. I'll put it in the video what they calling this. I think it's just which hat. I need to cut this down. Let's just punch this out. This makes it super quick and easy. You can even have your kids color them and you can punch them out. But like I said, you do have to fussy cut the feet because we don't have a punch for the feet. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to grab a piece of basic black and I'm going to punch out another hat. I love the little stars in here too. All right, so we're going to have two hats here, and these are going to be glued together. All right, now what I did was I covered some Hershey's Kisses, not Kisses, but Hershey's Nuggets, and I put these in the bag already, and I'm using just basically the colors that are in this hat. So it's just our 6x6 in the color families that we have, and that's what I used for this. But I left one unwrapped so that you can see this is a piece of 1x3, and I'm sure you've seen nuggets colored a million times. But I like to use the Stamp and Seal Plus to keep these on because they stay on really good if you just put it on the end and then wrap it around to the other side. So we are going to go ahead and put these other ones in here. So you can see you can put a lot of different things in these little bags. So I'm going to put the rest of these in here. I also need to stamp my little boo. So I'm going to grab that piece there and I'll just stamp it on this side. And we're just going to stamp it on the bottom here. And I'm just going to cut it out by hand because we just want it small. See if I can get that a little straighter. And then I'm just going to flag the end. Just like that. And we're going to put that on when we get the hat put on. Now to put this hat on, you need to fold these corners in like that. So it kind of makes a point. And then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add Stampin' Seal Plus. I really like the glue better because you can seal all the ends and everything down. That's what I did on the other one. And then you're just going to lay this on here. But I thought this would be much quicker. Like that. And then you're just going to put this one on as well. You do have to wait for the glue to dry. So if you want to do a bunch, you might not want to do the glue, the wet glue. And then we're going to set this one on top. Just line it up. And then there's our little hat. Now, I thought that I might do the feet a little. I think I'm going to hang the feet from the bottom like that this time. So I'm just going to put Stampin' Seal Plus on the bottom here. And I put them on here before, up at the top. And this time I think I'm just, since there's a little bit of room here, I'm just going to put them at the bottom down here. The Stampin' Seal Plus really holds it really good. And then I am going to use some wet glue. And we're going to stick it underneath the hat right here. You can do this actually before you set it down, but this is the second time I did it and I forgot both times to add my little boo. I need to scoot it over. Lift that a little bit. There we go. But look how cute. Aren't the Hershey's Nuggets really cute in there? So here's the other one. They're both really cute. It just depends what you want to do. I love the Hershey's Nuggets in there with the different colors. I think that one turned out really, really cute. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. All you need to make these will be in my online store at StampingWithAmore.com. This is my September hostess code. If you place an order, I'd appreciate you using it. And I thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.